Okay, tapos na kami kumain. So, nandito kami sa deck. Sa labas. There you go. Punta kami ng Victoria Island. And look at the view! So guys. Oh. Siyempre, the gang. Upper deck. So, akit pa tayo ng mas mataas ng konti. Let's go. Told ya, it's a nice view here. Dito tayo sa taas, guys. Yun. Ganda, no? Ganda dito. Ay! Wow, grabe, oh. Dito, oh. Dito tayo sa Ogden Park. Seaside, parang Baywalk. There you go. Careful, guys. Dami magsiswimming, oh. Careful. Ayan, oh. There you go. Look at that. Ayan na. Nag-enjoy na yung mga kids. Careful, guys. Ganda dun, oh. Diba, stand up. Diba stand up. What are you doing? Okay. Ganda naman ng ano nilalakaran nila dito. Takbo!
Yeah, having fun.
Ganda, oh.
Parang ano ah.
Oo nga. Siyempre,
Ganda na?
ako yung asawa kong napakaganda.
Ay?
Kasamang napakagandang view.
Ay?
And ayun yung birthday girl.
Birthday girl, move more!
Ay, birthday girl!
Run!
Don't run! Ang ganda nitong anong to, stretch na to. Oh. Tapos, ganyan, no? Oh, di ba? Legit. Hello. Hello. Sarap maglakad dito. Sarap mag-jogging.
Gutom tong mga to.
Gutom sila mamaya.
Agad yan.
Kakalakad. Plan is marating natin yung maliit na lighthouse, guys. Ayun. Yung maliit na lighthouse na yan. Yun yung pinakadulo. Diyan tayo pupunta. Dito na tayo sa lighthouse, guys.
Hello.
There's the lighthouse.
I'm Percy, the slow guy.
Pagod na kami. Pero lalakad pa kami
I
pabalik.
have a YouTube channel too. Sub.
Oh, pagkatapos ng takbo or lakad, magkakape naman tayo dito. Breakwater Cafe Bistro Bar. Okay. Order tayong kape. Order rin dito. Cozy. Order tayo ng kape. Anong orderin natin? Coffee.
Okay.
Ang sarap ng cookie mo.
Sobrang kadiri.
Hindi! Yung
Papa!
cookie nga. Oh, yan oh. Sarap ng cookie oh. Cookies. Oh, yan. Oh, yan. Nagre-record na.
It's Diva's birthday!
Happy birthday,
She
Diva!
got a present! What you've got, Diva?
I got an LOL doll.
Wow! Do you like it?
Yeah, I don't like
Kape-kape lang
it.
tayo
I
dito.
love it.
Birthday to
It's her birthday.
Oh, my legs
nako.
are so cool.
Ito lang dapat ang life eh. Oh. Ganyan-ganyan ka. Oh.
May passive income pa na eh.
Oo.
Ganto ka na.
Dito ka na lang, oh. Chill-chill ka na lang dito. Kakapi-kapi ka na lang dito. By the seashore, by the seaside.
Okay.
The seagull.
With the seagull and a lot of, keps.
Okay,
Ay, keps.
girls.
Ano? Kelps?
It's time to go
With the L,
swimming.
with the L.
Kelps
Now
daw,
it's
hindi
time to go
keps.
swimming.
Kayo kasi.
Time to go
Ito, yung buong castle, guys. Ang laki, oh. Papasok tayo dyan sa loob. Ibili lang ng ticket. Hello. Papasok na tayo, guys. Yes! Let's go! Wow!
Oh my god.
Before you get started, I also recommend look on up to where you're going to be going.
wow.
Oh, wow!
You have a lot of stairs you're going to be climbing, so same rules
Wow.
about not touching anything. Although, feel free to use these parts of the handrails and any chairs without rope.
Okay.
Sure.
Just stick to the right.
Thank you. Wow!
I think that's how they're playing upstairs.
The goat.
We have a puppet piano on the fourth floor.
Yeah, my nephew was.
Wow!
Okay, there you go.
Yeah. We'll also mention technically you won't come down these stairs. So, I'm pretty
Hi,
sure
birthday girl!
ran up to the halfway point.
Wow. Ganyan daw sila magbasa dati. So ilalagay mo dun yung kandila. Nice. Yun oh. Ano yan?
Baby stroller.
Oh, stroller. Okay.
Someone was the baby.
Sabi, no? Medyo nakakatakot yung vibe, no?
Actually,
Mhm. So, it is what it is. Ang laki ng heater dati, oh. Mhm. Ano? Oh. Yan ang mga suot dati. Pak.
Hindi ka, hirap kata kasing kumain.
Diba? Nice. Yan ang ano dati, sala dati, oh. Siyempre, hindi mawala ang chandelier. Yan. Ano to? Meeting room?
Dito ang board mo.
Boardroom.
With that.
Grabe, no?
Juice.
Yan. Parang nakakatakot naman eh, no? Laki yun. Pati yung mga nasa pader nila eh, no? Ah? Oo. Ganyan sila mag-ano ng shade, no? The mystery door. Wow, paano naging mystery yan? Kaya tayo sa hagdan. Ganda eh, no? Yun lang, medyo nakakatakot ang vibe. Yun, no? Ano yan?
Di ba, no po?
Oo nga. Akit tayo dun, no? Kasi may malaking upuan. Sino namang uupo dyan? Wow! Wow! What is this? Ito yung mga painting dati. Ganito ang CR nila dati. Wow. Yung lumang kwarto. Pero ang liit ng kama eh, no?
Tom, that's where they pee.
Yun, no?
Dapat,
Arinola. Yun, no? Yes. That's where they pee.
that's where they wash their face.
Recreation room. Oh. Diba?
411.
Oo nga. Ganda oh. So, billiard pala ang laruan nila, no? Oo nga. Gusto ko yung telescope. Ayun, no? Laki ng telescope, oh.
Oo, kasi.
Yan. Tumutugtog na, tumutugtog na. Galing naman ang asawa ko. Galing!
It's hard to go soft. You can't go soft.
You can't.
They like
I tried earlier.
Bravo!
Yeah, no, you gotta be really.
Woo!
Alright, we can calm it down.
Bravo! Good job, LA. So, I think that's it. Baba na tayo, guys. I think yun na yung makikita natin dito sa Craig the Rock. Craig the Rock. Ano yan?
Oh, there was this old guy that kept recording Queen of Listen. Yeah.
Ano masasabi mo dito sa castle natin, ma?
Dahil multo, halika na.
Dahil multo.
Gulat ako.
Very interesting. What's that, Percy?
Don't care.
It's heavy.
The pond has like 4 legs. I could jump.
Nagtatapos ang pag-ikot namin sa castle ng Craig the Rock. Okay, so yan yung kaso, guys. Kung kukuha, dito tayo. Pulong tayo dito. Ayan, oh. Kaso, Craig the Rock. Ayan, oh. Ganda ng panahon ngayon dito, guys. Ganda ng Victoria, oh. Yun. Ayan ang Parliament Building, guys. And Diyan tayo kakain sa loob. Oh, parang may show. Tingnan natin anong meron dun. Parliament Building. Nice. Okay, change of plan guys. Kasi hindi kami nakakuha ng reservation. Kala namin pwedeng pumasok eh. So, anyway, change of plan tayo. Hahanap tayo ng restaurant. Malapit lang dito. So, meron kami nakitang restaurant. Titignan natin. Pupuntahan natin yung 7 minutes walk. Let's go!
I'm your mother.
Dito daw tayo kakain guys.
Nope.
Floyd's. Oo.
I'm never gonna listen to you, huh?
Ang gusto ah.
Marilyn Monroe.
Oo.
Home of
Mukhang okay ah. Home of the Mahoney. Oo. Mukhang okay ito ah. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa labas, no? Tignan natin kung ano pagkain sa loob.
Kung ito ang pagsana niya, ang dami bilang mga isasala ay dahil
Para maganda dito, oh.
may umikot na vegetable from summer na may ano.
Mga movies. There's the food.
Like a lot of other relatives.
Ayan tayo, guys.
I wasn't there. You were.
Yes.
Yeah.
Party.
I think grandma's neighbors and shit.
Masarap yung pagkain.
Okay.
What's that? Aki.
Smash and dash burger.
It's crazy.
Okay, go.
Like she treats neighbors.
3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh.
Nice. Wrap.
Anyway.
Yum.
Heaven in your face.
Sarap.
Anyway. So,
Oh.
back to original sin. This
Sarap.
lamb asks the Lord.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hey, happy birthday, Diva.
Thank you.
Diva, can you finish all of that food?
Okay.
It's okay. It's your birthday. You can eat what you want. Happy birthday, Diva. Ha ha. Happy birthday, Diva. Ha ha.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Diva. Woo! You like the food? Is it good?
Not very good.
Very good.
Have done so, you could consider taking a tour inside our Parliament buildings. You can arrange for that with one of our knowledgeable guides right over there.
Mr. Rattenbury and I will linger in your time for a few more minutes if you have any questions or would like to take a picture. Oh, we do still show up in photographs, right?
Only one.
Sabi itong pulo na to. Wow. Amazing. Dito ako sa isang bookstore, guys. Kami pala. Kasama ko yung asawa ko. So, naghahanap siya ng libro. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung itsura ng ano dito. Bookstore, guys. Dito sa Victoria. There. Bookstore. Okay, nandito tayo sa upper deck. Ito yung tsura, guys. Oh. Portable naman eh. Nice. Tapos may TV dyan. Dito yung cafe. Natin yung ano, cafeteria. Dyan, merong coffee, mga drinks and food. Oh. Tayo ng sunset. Kaso matatakpan na eh. Oh. Wala na. No more. Dito kami sa upper deck. Pabalik na kami ng Vancouver from Victoria. Ayun guys. So tayo ay pauwi na ulit ng Vancouver. Tapos na yung one day natin na Victoria Island. Kasama yung family natin from San Francisco. Again, shout out kay Ate Fria, kay Kuya Boboy at saka kay LA, no. Thank you sa pag-visit sa amin. At saka syempre, mamimiss namin si Mami na nababalik na ng Amerika. Right? So I hope na nag-enjoy ka, Mami, dito sa Vancouver. And see you again po. Ayan. Ayan guys. Nakita nyo naman, ang ganda ng ating dito, view oh. Zoom natin konti. Ayan oh. Diba? Ang ganda.